Hi, this is Alex from Webcraftic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely disable WordPress comments for posts, pages, and any post types in just few clicks. Initially, WordPress was created as a blog management system, but over time it overgrew with the community and became a platform to make websites, landing pages, learning management systems, or even online stores. Usually a blog implies not only just the articles, but also the interaction with the audience. And this is a commenting system. But what to do if you do not need your audience feedback? You just want to write posts and that's all. Also, maybe you make a website or landing page and you don't need comments. Okay, you need to disable comments, but there is poorly opportunities to do that in WordPress. Yes, we have discussion settings here, settings, discussion. You can uncheck this, allow people to post comments on new articles, and it will disallow to put comments on only new posts. If you have a brand new project, this option will satisfy your needs, but if you have a real project and if you already have comments, this action will not help. Somebody can tell that we can do the next thing. Go to all posts, check all, set edit, apply, then select here, do not allow, and click update. Commenting now disallowed for the selected posts. Let's take a look to our post, reload it, and we can see that commenting is closed, but all comments are still here. If you want to shave them off, you should go comments and remove all. However, it is very many mouse movements and clicks. You should disable comments for new posts, disable for existing, and remove all comments. Also, what if you don't want to delete comments and save them in your database? You may want to cut them from posts, but also want to turn back to them in future. That's why we added comments management feature into our free plugin Clearfy, which you can download by the link below this video. Clearfy is very powerful tool which will improve SEO, performance, optimization and security of your project. But if you don't need all of these features, you can also get our free plugin, Disable Comments for Any Post Types. The options are the same as in Clearfy, but it's only for comments management. After you install and activate Clearfy plugin, you can see the link in WordPress settings called Clearfy menu. Click it and then go to the comments section. If you want to disable comments everywhere, you should click here and then save settings. This option completely removes WordPress commenting system, and now there is no comments link in left menu. And if we go to our post which has comments, commenting form, reload it, so we can see that there are only previous and next links. It is very conveniently. Your comments will stay in your database, and if you need them in future, you should just turn on the commenting system back. The mostly important thing that we do not simply hide your comments, we completely shave them off from your theme. So there are no extra database queries, and services like GTmetrix, Google Page Speed Insights, Pingdom even maybe give you some additional points. Oh, everyone wants to boost digits of these services, don't you? Also, you can disable comments only for chosen post types. Just check one or few types that you need, save settings, and you will get the result. When you need your comments again, click here and save settings. As I already told, the Clearfy is very powerful tool. Look at the other options and check another videos at this channel about other Clearfy settings. Now let me say some words about our small Disable Comments for Any Post Types plugin. I installed it and activated, but before this I deactivated Clearfy because they can cause errors due to intersections of the same functions. Go to the settings, Disable Comments, and look at the similar options as in Clearfy. do not disable, disable all and everywhere, or disable selected. As you can see, it is really easy to disable WordPress comments in just few clicks. You can also check our other plugins by the link below. Install, look and feel, and maybe they will be useful for you. If you have some questions or suggestions, please feel free to put them in comments below. Subscribe to our channel to see future videos about WordPress promotion, performance, and optimization. I wish you enjoy of work with WordPress, our plugins. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.